Hello everyone, we're in the Jaecoo J5 after the installation. So what do you actually get? You get the driver settings app, you get an app store from which you can install most apps, and an equalizer to improve the audio. You can go in and choose whatever you want. You can access the app store and install any available app. For example, install Waze, YouTube, radio channels, or TV. Driver settings, of course. You can configure all the settings that reset regularly, such as speed limit alerts, driver monitoring, and lane departure. You can turn off the child reminder, steering assist, and of course there's all the comfort features, automatic opening of the sunroof shade, heated and ventilated seats. You can schedule it for as long as you want. Garden heating, window locking, you can connect to Wi-Fi from here. Of course there are the usual shortcuts, 2 fingers up to select the driver's profile. 2 fingers swiping down will select the electric mode. 4 fingers swiping up will switch between your applications. 3 fingers up and down will control the AC intensity. Swiping left and right will control the fan speed. And well, that is basically all there is to it.